Hello, good morning. We are back with some more information on ACCA today. Last session we cleared all the foundation level, what are the papers, what are the exam techniques, how to study those papers, etc. We covered all those things. Now we are going to the next level. I already mentioned next level, there is one paper which is computer based, though it is moving to the next level. So today we will generally discuss what are the applied skill level papers in ACCA, and which is really focusing on developing practical finance skills needed for professional accountants role. So from the foundation, we are moving little more ahead, little more serious. So these papers build definitely on the foundation knowledge and cover the core technical area like the law, management accounting, financial reporting, financial management, etc. So it's not an independent level altogether, which is based on the knowledge level, which we already covered. So mind it, in ACCA, once you clear a paper, you cannot just control all delete is not possible. You have to keep it in a safe way somewhere, because the next papers are going to build up on the foundation which we already covered in the lower level papers. So let us little detailed what are skill level papers. We will check them. There are 6 papers altogether in skill level. The first paper is called LW, that is corporate and business law. As you know, even though we are dealing with finance, we should know the law relating to the financial aspects, general law, mercantile law, and even when you move from country to country, you should know even the local labor law of that country. But here we are just concentrating corporate and business law. So this is mainly focusing on the legal framework impacting the business and accounting. See, the legal framework for the business and accounting is almost same all over the country, except here and there they will have some local implications. That's it. So corporate and business law is the paper 1 in that level out of the 6 papers. Next comes in the order performance management. We already did the foundation of that, management accounting. So we are going to concentrate a little more from that paper, which is dealing with the techniques for managing organization performance, including cost control, budgeting, time series analysis, then evaluation of performance of the managers, etc. So the base is again the management accounting paper we did in foundation. So that is paper 2. Paper 3 comes with the taxation. Yes, you know that tax is very important, but ACCA covers, especially for India, tax of the UK standard only. But there are options for the tax variants which you can choose. Yeah, but unfortunately, Indian tax system is not given as an option in the ACCA. Many countries they have the option, so that will definitely help you. When I did my ACCA, I was in Botswana, so I took the tax paper as the local variant, that is the Botswana, since it makes sense for me to know the Botswana tax than the international tax law. So taxation for our Indian students, we all have to cover with the tax of the UK tax, which not very difficult. You know that almost all the systems of India are based on the British law. So British tax, British law, everything we are almost here and there we will customize according to our economic and political situation. So here we will be doing the UK tax. Next papers come the financial reporting. They call it as FR. So you have already done the financial paper, financial accounting paper in a base level. So you are going to build the advanced version of that by exploring the principles and practice of preparing and presenting financial statements in an international global level. So that is the financial reporting paper. Yes, once you do the finance, we need to do audit. So audit and assurance, which is focusing on the auditing process ensure the reliability of the financial state informations. Yes, this paper we haven't done, but we know what is auditing. It's like cross checking. So this is a paper where you are going to start from the beginning. This paper is not covered in detail. Here and there maybe you would have done little bit what is auditing, like that, not more than that. Then comes the financial management. See, the paper in foundation called management accounting is covering both financial management and performance management in a very shallow area. So from there, we are going to do two papers. That is, one is performance management, the other one is financial management, which is covering the financial decision making, like investment analysis, capital budgeting, different methods of investing, mergers, acquisition, so many areas. I think even the performance of the managers will be dealt with in the financial management paper. So basically, the skill level papers, applied skill module of ACCA, covers 6 papers. Paper 1 is law, corporate and business law, which is called LW. Paper 2 is performance management, we call it as PM. Paper 3 is taxation, we call it as TX. Paper 4 is financial reporting, we will call FR. Paper 5 is audit and assurance, we will say AA. The last paper is financial management. We will call it as a F, financial management. So, ACCA is dividing into 3 levels, as you know. The foundation level, uh, that is a fundamental level. This is a professional level, skill level. Then comes the strategic level. So the skill papers are part of the fundamental level, significantly within the applied skills, which is very important and very crucial for developing the practical skills needed to work as a professional accountant in various sectors. So they build on the foundation knowledge gained in the knowledge level and prepare you for more advanced topic at the professional level. And the same like that, ACCA official website will give you all the details, whatever you want to study material, the past papers, the student hub. The website will provide you a lot of information about all these things. And of course, the learning providers, the study materials like BPP, Kaplan, everything, they are also giving you all the study material. So that is all about the general understanding of these papers. So there are 6 papers. All the 6 papers are mandatory. One more thing, the law paper is the examination is based on demand, like the fundamental level. You can, whenever you are ready, you can request ACCA to schedule a time for you in the exam for the examination process. But the other papers, though they are in the same section, other papers it's not on demand. So once you finish the law exam, done with the on demand CV. After that, everything is scheduled by the ACCA. As you know, there are 4 sessions of exams ACCA is conducting for the papers. We start with March, then June, September, and December. It was only once in 6 months. Then they move to every quarter, there is one session, which makes the students to concentrate one paper for 3 months and clear it, than studying 2 papers in 6 months. And it's make your life little more easy and flexible. That is why they changed. And it's a good practice to at least attempt one paper once you are decided to do ACCA in each section, so that you will not be wasting your time and you will not have any lag and you will not be out of the touch of the books. So next section, what we will do, we will we will check one by one paper of this skill module, all the 6 papers. Later we will check one by one what are the exam techniques of each paper. Like that, we move on. So whoever is planning to start ACCA, do visit the guidance we are providing. And if you need further information, we have professionals qualified ACCA and FCCA in Accounts Academy. You can always reach us out for more further information and guidance if you are a little bit confused what to do. You don't know sometimes you want to know more details in person. Please reach us in Accounts Academy through the website or the number, and our counselors are always ready to help you out and give you more information. And if you still wants to meet the professionals here, we are ready to help you out. So we will see you in the next section with details of the papers, what exactly in each paper. So maybe we will take corporate and business law, and we will cover it together with that the examination techniques of that paper. So in that way, you will be going with one paper. What is it? What is the exam techniques? How to prepare, etc. And we will move forward like that. Thank you so much. Looking forward for the next section. Have a good day. Bye bye.